Welcome. So today in this session we will study about chemical reaction and equations. And learning objective will be chemical change, characteristic of chemical change, chemical equation, balanced chemical equation. Dear students, in our daily life we are observing different type of changes. If we will define or identify, we are major two type of changes are there. One is known as physical change and another is known as chemical change. Now physical change is that change where there is no formation of a new substance. There is generally change in the size or color can be changed, but there is no formation of a new substance. For example, I have a chalk which consists of calcium carbonate. When I will break it up, it is a physical change. What happens here? The size of chalk now it changes, but its substance remains as it is. It also consists of calcium carbonate, it also has calcium carbonate. Alright, so there is no formation of any new product. But on the other hand, the chemical change, which in daily life we observe so many things where there is formation of a new product. New product, for example, digestion of food, cooking of food, curding of milk. Milk cannot be obtained after curding again. It cannot be reversible. So such changes are known as chemical change. If I will show you one more example, burning of mastic. Burning of mastic is which type of change? It is a chemical change because now after burning what we got? We are having here now carbon is there. Wood portion burned, it converted into the carbon. Now it is different from the previous one. So there is formation of a new product. So it is a chemical change. So like this, so many changes around us. Now here we will discuss more about the chemical change. Now chemical change, when we talk about the process, it is very lengthy to speak about. So when we use some symbols and formulas to represent that chemical change, it is known as chemical reaction. The reaction, when afterward we write in terms of symbols and formulas, right, then it becomes a chemical equation. Okay, now how to write a chemical equation? The chemical equation, when we write down, we are having here two major parts. One is known as reactant and another is known as product. Now what is reactant? The reactant is the substance which undergo a chemical change. As here we were having this mastic. So this is your product. This is your reactant. Afterward what we got? We got carbon as it was its product. So the substance which is formed after a chemical change, that is known as product. Okay. Next, what are the different characteristics which show us that chemical change is going on? So dear students, there are four different characteristics which explain about the chemical change, which identify that chemical change is going on. What are these? Change in temperature, evolution of gas, change in state, and change in color. If we will discuss first change in state. For example, burning of candle. When candle is burned out, what happens? The solid wax convert into liquid state. Now, But there is also a chemical change is also going on combustion process. There is formation of carbon dioxide gas and water. So if we will speak about burning of candle, okay, here state is changed, but it is an example of physical as well as chemical change. Wax convert into solid to liquid, right? So there is in that change in state is observed. Next observation is change in color. There are so many reactions, chemical reactions where color changes are observed. One common example is here potassium permanganate KMnO4. When we add some lemon juice, its color disappear. It is pink in color, but when we add lemon juice, it disappears because KMnO4 disintegrate and oxidize lemon juice there. And there is one reaction here, that is reaction between potassium iodide and lead chloride. We are very easily we can observe the change in color. I will show you the reaction. Here I have in this test tube potassium iodide solution, and in the second test tube I am having your lead chloride solution is there. It is turbid in color. This is transparent. Now when I will mix these two, what is there? There is change in color. And what the color? Yellow color. There is a chemical reaction takes place in between. Potassium iodide when mixed with your lead chloride, we got lead iodide and potassium chloride. So this is a chemical change which is identified by change in color. Alright. Next, our characteristic which indicate the change, that is your evolution of gas. There are so many reactions which are identified where you will see the gas is evolved out in the form of the bubbles. So I will show you one example here. That is when we will add zinc granules in sulfuric acid. Dilute sulfuric acid we will use here. We will got zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas. This hydrogen gas is evolved in the form of bubbles, and what happened there we will see here that there is change in temperature also. The reaction is exothermic. Exothermic are those reactions where heat is evolved, and temperature we will observe from room temperature it will increase, then the reaction proceed on. Okay, the reaction let us do here. I am having here zinc granules. The zinc granules I will use titration flask, and I am having dilute sulfuric acid here. Okay, in this titration flask, what I will add up? I will add zinc granules. This is zinc granule. I will add up here. You can add more. Okay, now sulfuric acid is there, dilute sulfuric acid. I will mix these two. Now, and the reaction will proceed. What will happen here? This zinc, it is more reactive than hydrogen, and it will displace hydrogen from the sulfuric acid, and here small bubbles are, I am absorbing it. Now as the reaction will proceed, you will see the bubbles will come continuously, and they start coming. After 2-3 minutes we will see it again. The bubbles will come continuously, and that it will be more easily observed. Let's wait for a few minutes up to that. And here we will see that temperature earlier it is room temperature, but afterward it will increase. Okay, so let us come to the next, that is balancing of a chemical equation. Now I have told you earlier that a chemical change it into a shorthand way, shorthand notation by using its formulas and symbol of the various substances which undergo chemical change. Now, the equation which is in the term of its formula and symbol, it is known as chemical equation. But this equation is your scatter equation. First we are having word equation, that we converted into the scatter equation where we have used formula and symbol. Let us take an example. Hydrogen gas react with oxygen gas, we got water. But the reaction, if we will see it, the mass of the reactants are not equal to mass of product. But according to the law of conservation of mass, which says that matter cannot be created, neither be destroyed, but it can be converted one form to another form. But there is no any change in the mass. The mass of the reactant, if I will speak in terms of the chemical reaction, for a chemical reaction, this law of conservation of mass states that total mass of reactants will always be equal to the total mass of the product. So if we will calculate their total mass from left hand side and right hand side, here it is not equal to each other. So to follow or obey the law of conservation of mass, dear students, we have to balance the chemical equation, means we have to make equal number of atoms of each element in both sides, as reactant as well as product side. So for this we will use balancing of equation. This session we will continue next time. So here what we have done today in this, we have learned now about the chemical change, characteristic of chemical change, how we can identify change in temperature, evolution of gas, change in state, change in color, and the equation how to write and how I to balance. Okay, I have told you that as the reaction will proceed, which we will see, bubbles are now clearly visible. Gas is coming, hydrogen gas is coming here, small bubbles continuously they are coming. This process is known as effervescence. The small bubbles are coming. So this is effervescence, this is identification giving us and that there is evolution of hydrogen gas. So with this, today we come to know about various chemical changes in terms of the chemical reaction. That's all for today. Thank you.